In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this multi-light effect illusion by using point lights and composite nodes. This is how the scene looks like. I have 2 cylinders, 5 point lights, and 1 sphere. The sphere was used to block the environment light. Let's create a cylinder and type Tab to go to edit mode. Type 3 to face select. Select the top face, and shift select the bottom face. Type I as in India to extrude inward, and X to delete the faces. Type 2 to edge select. Alt select the bottom edge loop, and Shift Alt select the top edge loop as well. Ctrl East to bridge edge loops. That's how the meshes were created. After that, I added a scaled sphere, and 5 point lights with different colors, but the same light strength. This illusion will only work with cycles. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.